In just 2 months, we transformed this vacant land in Ghana into a comfortable construction camp. In August, we received a client's inquiry requesting a complete camp project that could accommodate hundreds of workers for living purposes. In September, the customer visited our factory for the first time. After detailed comparisons and discussions, the customer finally chose the flat-pack container house. After the plan was confirmed, we quickly carried out the initial design for the client. Through multiple communications and revisions with the client, the final design plan was eventually determined. To meet the customer's needs, we used approximately 80 sets of container houses to build a living camp that integrates accommodation, offices, canteens, and bathrooms, etc. We will provide our clients with the most satisfactory solutions within their budget, and we can customize wall panels, flooring, doors, windows, furniture, and various fixtures to meet their specific needs. Each component of the container house is manufactured and packed in the factory. This not only saves a lot of space, but also reduces transportation costs. After the house is delivered, there is no need for complicated construction work. It can be quickly assembled on site, which improves the installation efficiency. And it also has the capabilities of fire resistance, water resistance, wind resistance, and earthquake resistance, providing a safe and comfortable living environment for the campers. We offer cost-effective prefabricated container houses. If you have any requirements, please contact us. K-Home will make your project a reality.